Alright, so I messed up auto. It won't work. See? Hit it, won't do anything. Here's how to fix it. This is a 16 CX-5. I'm gonna hold up auto for about 10 seconds after it goes up. Let's see if that helps. Alright, now, about 10 seconds. Let's go, hit down, hold it down. Down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, now let's see. Ooh, there's up automatically. Look, it's down. Ooh, no hands. Ooh, up. There's how you fix the auto window up and down on a 2016 CX-5. Thank you. And what do I usually say? Oh yeah, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.